Have you ever wondered how robots might one day run the world? Well, that future is closer than you might think, thanks to artificial intelligence, AI. It has emerged from the shadows of research labs and is now poised to revolutionize every part of our lives, including the global economy. As AI continues to evolve at a greater pace, its potential to reshape industries, create new jobs, and redefine the very nature of work is immense. Today, in this video, we will dive into the profound ways in which AI is set to transform the world's economy, exploring both its potential benefits and challenges. But before we dive into its economic impact, let's briefly understand what AI is. In essence, it's the science of making machines intelligent. This intelligence isn't human-like consciousness, but rather the ability to learn, reason, and make decisions. Think of AI as a powerful tool, capable of analyzing vast amounts of data, recognizing patterns, and making predictions. The seeds of AI were sown decades ago, but it is only in recent years that we have witnessed its explosive growth. Fueled by advancements in computing power, data storage, and algorithms, AI has matured into a powerful tool capable of performing tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of human intelligence. From recognizing patterns in vast data sets to making complex decisions, AI is pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Now let's see the economic impact. One of the most significant impacts of AI on the global economy is its potential to dramatically boost productivity. By automating routine tasks, AI frees up human workers to focus on higher-value activities that require creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. This shift in focus can lead to increased efficiency, reduced costs, and accelerated innovation. For instance, in manufacturing, AI-powered robots can work tirelessly around the clock, performing tasks with precision and speed that far surpass human capabilities. In the service industry, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries 24/7, reducing wait times and improving customer satisfaction. AI is not merely a tool for automation, it is also a powerful engine for innovation. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and trends that are invisible to the human eye. This ability to uncover hidden insights can lead to groundbreaking discoveries and breakthroughs in various fields. In healthcare, AI-powered systems can analyze medical images to detect diseases at an early stage, enabling timely intervention and improving patient outcomes. In finance, AI can analyze market trends and predict future movements, helping investors make informed decisions. While there are concerns about AI leading to job displacement, it is also creating new industries and jobs. The AI industry itself is a rapidly growing sector, with demand for skilled AI researchers, engineers, and data scientists soaring. Moreover, AI is enabling the emergence of entirely new sectors, such as autonomous vehicles, personalized medicine, and smart cities. As these industries develop, they will create a wider range of new job opportunities, from software developers to urban planners. Here is also the kicker: economic growth. The combined effect of increased productivity, innovation, and new industries is a significant boost to economic growth. AI has the potential to unlock trillions of dollars in financial value. Countries that embrace AI and invest in AI research and development are likely to reap the greatest rewards. For instance, China has emerged as a global leader in AI, investing heavily in research and development and implementing AI-powered solutions across various sectors. While AI offers immense potential, it is important to recognize that it is a tool, not a replacement for human ingenuity and creativity. The success of AI depends on our ability to harness its power responsibly and ethically. This means ensuring that AI systems are designed with human values in mind, that they are transparent and accountable, and that they are used to benefit society as a whole. One of the key challenges in the age of AI is to ensure that the benefits of AI are distributed equitably. As AI automates tasks and creates new jobs, it is crucial to provide opportunities for workers to acquire the skills needed to thrive in the new economy. This may involve investments in education and training programs, as well as social safety nets to support those who are displaced by automation. The future of AI is full of promise and uncertainty. While the potential benefits are immense, there are also significant challenges to be addressed. As AI continues to evolve, it is essential to have open and honest conversations about its impact on society, the economy, and the workforce. By proactively addressing these challenges and embracing the opportunities that AI presents, we can shape a future where AI serves as a force for good, driving economic growth, improving quality of life, and creating a more equitable world. It's important to note that the extent of job displacement due to AI is still a subject of debate. While some experts predict significant job losses, others argue that AI will create new opportunities and lead to a net increase in employment. In conclusion, AI is a powerful technology with the potential to transform the global economy. While there are challenges and concerns to address, the overall impact of AI is likely to be positive. By embracing AI responsibly and proactively addressing its potential downsides, we can harness its power to create a more prosperous and equitable future. Today, I've painted a broad picture of AI's economic impact. But what are your thoughts? Are you excited about the possibilities of AI or concerned about its potential downsides? Let's discuss this in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.